Now in this question, we'll prove this trigonometric inequality, which is mod sine nx is less than equal to n mod sine x using principle of mathematical induction. Now, mathematical induction, it is a technique to prove that some statement Pn, it holds true for every natural number. In some cases, it may also start from 0, it may start from 3. So depending on the question, so it'll start from some number and then gradually it'll be an increment of 1. So we'll need to prove this statement Pn. Now proof by induction, it consists of two steps. Step 1, which is called as initial case or the base case. That is, we'll prove it for the very initial value or the very first value for this Pn. Now say for example in this question, we are given this statement Pn as this mod sine nx is less than equal to n mod sine x. So basically the first step is we'll prove it for n equals 1. So we'll take n as 1. So that is, we are talking about P1. So we'll put n as 1, then we'll write mod sine x is less than equal to mod of sine x, which is true. So that means first step is we need to prove that it holds for this initial or base case. So in our example, it holds for P1. Now second step is called as inductive step. Now inductive step is if Pn holds for n, then we need to prove that it holds for Pn plus 1. If any hypothesis, it satisfies this initial case and it also satisfies this inductive step, then we can say this Pn is true using principle of mathematical induction. So for this example, we'll assume that let Pn be true, which means we have assumed that mod sine nx is less than equal to n sine mod x. Now using Pn, we need to prove that it holds for Pn plus 1. So now we'll write Pn plus 1. Now Pn plus 1 is simply mod sine n plus 1x. Now we can use the formula for sine a plus b. So we can write this as mod sine nx into cos x plus cos nx into sine x. Now we know that mod of x plus y is less than equal to mod x plus mod y. So we can write this is less than equal to mod of sine nx into cos x and then plus mod cos nx into sine x. Now mod a into b is mod a into mod b. So we can write this as mod of sine nx into mod cos x plus this is mod cos nx into mod sine x. Now we know that the maximum value of mod cos x is 1 and also mod cos nx is 1. So that means we can write this expression as this is less than or equal to mod sine nx and then plus mod sine x. Now Pn says this mod sine nx is less than n mod sine x. So we can write this as this is less than or equal to n mod sine x plus mod sine x. So which is n plus 1 mod sine nx. So from here we can write mod sine n plus 1 x is less than n plus 1 mod sine x. So it simply means this Pn plus 1 is true. So initial case is true, inductive step is also true. Then we can say this result, which is mod sine nx is less than equal to n mod sine x, it holds for any natural number n using principle of mathematical induction. If you like the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Also, the best way to navigate any topic is through a playlist. Simply go to the channel page, click playlist, and select the topic you wish to study.